Sanger MX60 Sewing Machine. Sew fashions, piece quilts, create crafts, or do simple mending with the reliable Sanger MX60 Sewing Machine. The MX60 sewing machine is lightweight and portable, making this one a great choice for taking to sewing class or for sewing in smaller spaces. Thanks to preset stitch length and width, even beginners will find this machine super easy to use. Sew fashions, piece quilts, create crafts, or do simple mending, you can do it all. 6 built-in stitches. Choose from a variety of stitches for basic sewing, decorative sewing, and more. 4-step buttonholes. Buttonholes are sewn in 4 easy steps, clearly displayed on the stitch selector dial. Sew stitches in reverse, usually done to secure a seam at the beginning and then to prevent unraveling. Adjustable thread tension. Depending on your fabric and thread selection, the thread tension dial can be used to fine-tune the look of your stitch as desired. Quick and easy threading. Simple to follow threading guides for winding the bobbin and threading the upper thread are conveniently marked directly on the machine.